Walk away from anything holding you hostage physically, mentally, and emotionally. Cut ties with bonds that require much more of you than you're capable of giving, and be sure to sever permanent ties with things that leave you with low spirit and bring bad energy. Stop allowing people to hustle you out of your worth. Stop allowing people to waste your time. Stop allowing people to be privy of your life. Stop giving people open spaces to walk in. Stop being so naive. Stop doing things you don't want to do, and please stop giving yourself to every individual who seems to need you. Walk away knowing you're doing due diligence, cutting the string to the attachments people hold over you, cutting the bad habits, and doing the work. It seems we have loud mouthpieces declaring what we don't want and what we won't do, but the moment these things show up, our roar is silent and we've stepped back from the promises that we have declared for ourselves. Attachment to people and their expectation causes us to fold and invite them in every single time. The struggle is not new, but being assertive is. You don't owe anyone an explanation, but you owe yourself the right to dismiss everything that keeps holding you hostage. And I don't know about you, but no one will cost me my peace, my sanity, my life, and baby, that is law.